right quick, look there on the left. Trees! Well, anyway, we're real proud of Cinderella, so much so we like to have her show off every now and again. So on the count of three, everybody holler out, blow the whistle. Brad's got to hear it, or he won't blow the whistle. Y'all ready? 1, 2, 3! Cinderella.